Welcome. My name is Olivia. It's so nice to see you here. I'm really happy you're taking time today to listen to English and improve step by step. You being here means a lot, because every minute you spend listening brings you closer to fluency. In this video, we'll do three things. First, I'll tell you a story about a city tour guide and his day. Then, we'll look at some useful English phrases from that story and explore how you can use them in real life. And finally, I'll share a bit of motivation to help you keep learning, even on the days when it feels hard. Now let's begin. Take your tea or coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Jason wakes up early, just as the sun begins to rise over the rooftops. The light coming through his window is soft and golden, and the city outside is still a little quiet. Jason is a tour guide in a busy, historic city, full of beautiful buildings, winding streets, and hidden stories. Every morning, he prepares for another day of showing people around, and today is no different. The weather is warm and sunny, a perfect day for walking. Jason puts on his favorite blue jacket, the one with a small tear on the sleeve, grabs his worn-out city map, and steps out of his small apartment. He takes a deep breath. The air smells like fresh bread and morning coffee from the cafes downstairs. At exactly 9 o'clock, he meets a group of 10 tourists in front of the old museum. They're all different, some from Italy, some from Japan, and a couple from Brazil. They're excited, looking around, taking pictures. Jason claps his hands gently and says with a big, warm smile, "Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for a great adventure today?" The group laughs, and a few people nod eagerly. You can feel the energy. It's the kind of moment that brings strangers together. As the tour begins, Jason leads them through the heart of the city. He shows them tall, shining buildings that touch the sky, quiet parks with benches under large trees, and narrow old streets painted in every color you can imagine. He points to the details most people miss. He says things like, "Look over there, see that balcony?" Or, "Be careful with the steps, these stones are very old." And take your time, we're not in a rush. He walks at a steady pace, always turning back to check if the group is keeping up. When someone stops to take a photo, he waits. When someone asks a question, he listens closely. Jason isn't just giving facts, he's telling stories, making the city come alive. Around 12 o'clock, they all stop by the river. It's a peaceful place, with benches and shade from the trees. Jason tells a short story about the bridge they're sitting near, how it was built, what it meant to the people long ago. The group listens quietly, some sipping from water bottles, others just smiling. One tourist, a man from Canada, asks, "How long have you lived here?" Jason smiles. His answer is soft but full of pride. "All my life. I love this city. It's part of me." There's a quiet moment, like everyone feels the same connection for a second. After lunch, they continue the tour, walking through more parts of the city until late afternoon. The sun starts to dip lower, and the light becomes golden again, just like in the morning. The group is a little tired now, but still smiling. When the tour ends, people start to say their goodbyes. They shake Jason's hand, thank him, and take one last photo with him. One woman, standing near the museum, says, "You made this day very special." Her voice is warm and honest. Jason feels a deep happiness, not because of the words, but because of the look on her face, real joy. He waves goodbye to the group, then turns and begins his walk home. His feet are a little tired, but his heart feels full. As he walks through the quiet streets, he thinks about the happy faces he saw, and he smiles to himself. Another day, another story shared. Great job listening. Now, let's look at some useful English phrases from Jason's story. These are all real, natural expressions people use every day in casual conversations. They're short, but they carry a lot of meaning, and the more you hear them, the more naturally they'll come out when you speak. 1. Are you ready for a great adventure? This is such a fun and energetic way to start something exciting. Jason used it to welcome his tour group, but you can use it in many different situations. It's a great phrase to build excitement and get people in a positive mood. For example, imagine you and your friend are about to try a new hiking trail. You smile and say, "Are you ready for a great adventure?" It makes the moment feel bigger and more fun. 2. Look over there. This phrase is short, direct, and super common. You use it when you want someone to quickly notice something interesting or important. It could be something beautiful, strange, or even funny. To give an example, you're at the beach and suddenly see a dolphin jumping in the water. You turn to your friend and say, "Look over there." It's a way to share surprise and attention. 3. Be careful with the steps. Be careful is a kind and gentle warning. You say it when you want to protect someone from getting hurt or making a mistake. It shows care and attention. As an example, if your younger cousin is walking down a slippery staircase, you might say softly, "Be careful with the steps." It's not shouting or strict, it's caring and supportive. 4. Take your time. This is a really polite and comforting phrase. It means there's no rush. It's often used when someone feels nervous, unsure, or slow. It tells them, "It's okay, you can relax." For instance, you're helping your friend fill out a form and they look confused. You smile and say, "Take your time, no pressure." This small phrase can help someone feel calm and safe. 5. You made this day very special. This is such a warm and beautiful way to say thank you. It's more emotional than a simple thanks. It means the person didn't just do something. You felt something because of them. For example, imagine your friend plans a surprise birthday picnic for you. At the end of the day, you hug them and say, "You made this day very special." It's a phrase that stays in the heart. These phrases may seem simple, but they're powerful. They're part of real conversations, and they carry kindness, energy, and emotion. Try using just one of them today, and if you hear them again, you'll notice how natural they really are. You did a great job today. Seriously, just showing up and listening is something most people never do. And you did it. That's already a big step forward. You don't need to learn everything in one day. You don't need to speak perfectly, understand everything, or memorize every word. What really matters is that you're here. You're listening. You're growing, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. Every time you choose to press play, you're telling yourself, "I care about my future." And that matters more than you know. Progress isn't loud. It's quiet. It's slow. It happens while you're listening, while you're walking, while you're relaxing. It happens when you stay close to English, bit by bit, day by day. And you're not alone in this. I'm here with you. And so is this whole channel. We've already prepared easy playlists for you, so you never have to wonder what to listen to next. You just show up, press play, and let the words flow into your mind. That's all it takes. 10 minutes a day. That's enough to build strong habits. That's enough to speak with more confidence. That's enough to change how you feel about English. So whenever you feel stuck, or tired, or unsure, come back. Come back to these stories, these voices, this space we've created just for you. One video at a time, one step at a time. You are moving forward, and I'm so proud of you. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, and remember, the playlists are ready whenever you are. Just press play. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.